Welcome back to another video. We are going to be replacing the AC vent. If you haven't watched the previous videos about all my troubles buying a certified pre-owned Lexus, I'll put a link so you can go back and watch those. So replacing this vent is also the same procedure if you're going to install Apple wireless CarPlay, or you're going to be installing another amplifier for the sound system. So this residue right here is all from a liquid air freshener that leaked and then hardened and made this vent inoperable. And you can see, like, I'm basically trying to break it. I don't want to break the outside housing of it, which is why I'm not forcing it. So this entire unit here is one piece that you cannot replace. The only things that you can replace in here are these vents. All the including, like, all the rest of the stuff is part of a radio AC unit, and it is very expensive to replace this whole thing. But we can swap this vent out, which is what we're going to do today. But we still have to remove this whole thing just to get to the vent. So that's what we're going to do now. So the first thing we're going to do, we've got these side trim pieces we're going to remove. So you take this up. That down, and let's see. Put that there. Okay, and we got this side. That hurt. Okay. So these are just held on by clips, and I'll just set that aside. I think it pulls this way. There we go. So you can see the clips. This just pulls straight out here. Okay, and now once you get this piece off, it'll open up this piece to come out. Oh man, you got some light. Okay, now here's right behind here. This is your starter switch. I can smell the air freshener inside this plastic piece. I didn't know I was going to get hurt in the first 10 seconds.
Wow.
But I lost half my thumb taking the trim piece off. Okay, I'm good. Ow. Okay. Now, to unplug. Behind the starter switch is this little clip, and we need to push in that little slot in order to release the clip. Okay, so we're just gonna push that, loosen that, and we'll just pull this down. It's just a little pop, and then this should just unscrew like that. Okay, we'll just put this here. And all right, we just have two bolts that holds this whole thing. Once we get those bolts out, then we're golden. So okay, I'm gonna show you where the first bolt is. It's right there. Dude, it's a 10 millimeter. Okay, I've got this little magnet thing. The worst thing that could happen is this falls somewhere. I can't find it, so I'm just gonna put this magnet up there to grab the bolt as it comes out.
All right, good luck.
All right, I'm gonna try it without it first. Okay. Oh.
Oh, good luck putting it back in there.
What in the world? Window open, okay. All right, that's where the other one is. So it's at a similar angle, you can see, where it's like sort of diagonal. Uh-oh. Can you see the bolt?
I think so.
Okay, so we're just gonna put our magnet in here and extract our bolt.
Nice.
All right, the hardest part is over. Literally just 2 bolts are holding this entire thing in. And just gotta watch out for this because I don't wanna mess up all this, but I'm just gonna start from the bottom here and lift up. You can see there's a clip that's holding this in. So this whole, let's see. Gotta get the clips out. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right. So there's our vents. Good news is these vents go inside of the main vent. So now we just got to get this out. It does look like I was able to get this out enough to rest it there. Let's just see how this is made. And okay, so this piece is down below. This is like a damper that opens and closes the airflow. It does look like there's 2 pieces up here. Let's see. There's 2 clips on the top. Oh great, 2 clips on the bottom. Part off, you can see it's pulling away. Now I just need to loosen the bottom somehow. Basically, if this is in there like that, the clip is right here. I need to come and basically get in there to loosen that. Because the clips come from here and then this pops up to get over that little lip. That's what's needed in order to get that out. All right, if you don't have one of these, it really comes in handy. It's basically a magnifying head lamp, for lack of a better word, and it's got different magnification levels. I'm gonna go with just 2x, which should be plenty. Put it on like so. And this will allow me to see as well as look very silly, but it will allow me to see a lot closer inside of there. And the fact that there's a light on here will really help. There we go. Yeah, I can see now.
Yeah.
All right, I got that one loose. Now, how do I get the last one? Let's try twisting around this way. Oh man, it's a really tight spot. I can feel where my fingernail is supposed to go. So, oh great, I think I just clipped it back in on accident. Okay, so I got 3 of the 4 corners out. And now I just got to figure out how to get the last one. Of course, I need to use my thumb, but now I don't have a thumb nail. All right, I'm resigned myself to taking the radio out because I can't actually see enough. So we took pictures of what everything looked like, because you got to get everything exactly back in where it's supposed to go. But hopefully we will get it all back.
Yeah.
How do you get these off? Oh, just like that.
Also that one too.
Oh. All right. So you take this off. Oh, right here.
There. And now you're free to take this wherever you want.
Okay.
See?
Oh. All right, now that I've got this
That's the whole radio. Can you believe that?
in my lap, this $4,000
Empty space.
piece in my lap, I can now easily see where I'm supposed to be going. This one is being stubborn. I don't want to bend this back too far because I don't want to break these clips. There we go. Oh, we did it. What happens is the oil that got in here is like corrosive.
Oh.
And then it made the plastic bubble up.
Oh, okay.
So it's not like gunk that you can clean off. It's like the plastic itself is messed up.
That makes sense.
All right. Get our new one. We gotta put it in these guides here. Okay. Make sure it works. Make sure the vent opens and closes. Everything seems good. This is solid. All the clips are connected. It's not color coded because this black one just went in right there. Well, maybe it's semi color coded because that one's gray and this one's blue.
Yeah. And there's a brown one, there's a white one, there's a black one.
All I have to say is this is a ton of wires. We should have just done this first. This would have been a lot easier, wouldn't it? This is our clock. And now these vents go back into his little vent holder thing. Oh look, the clock is resetting. Okay, I think we're in. Feels in. Looks in. Our vent still works. Can you actually get the camera where you can see the bolt? That's better. Okay, tighten this back the way it was, which is about like that. basically a little more than finger tight. All right, coming back around.
All right.
All right, here's our bolt. We're going to try to put this in without losing. Oh, that's much better. Okay. Is it in? I don't know. I'm twisting. Okay, that's tight. That's a good sign. Oh, that's really the only hard thing about this. Oh. Okay. I've got these Armor All cleaning wipes. You can see all this residual just junk from, you know, it was hidden underneath the panel. So I'm just gonna wipe this down just to get it clean a little bit. And I'll follow that up with drying. Okay, let's get this back. Okay. Okay. Let's see. These clips just need to go back where you found them. All right, that's in. Uh-oh. I cannot see over here. This one is not going. Oh, it's because there's a little. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's all in. So those went in, but this one. All right, that one's in. So we're just gonna go over this since it's got a little bit of sticky right around the edge here. This goes under here, it looks like. Yeah, it goes under. Did it. Now, does this stuff work? Clock is resetting. We have nav, we have temperature controls. All right, I feel air through both sides. I think we're good. So hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.